Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Robin, and if you're returning, I know it has been forever. It's been like 7 months since I made a video, but a lot has changed, a lot's going on, and I will update y'all on that later. But for now, let's get into this hair. So this hair that I have on right now, this is a wig from hershowhair.com, Hershow Hair, and this is their deep wave lace front wig. It's a 13 by 6, so I love that it has that deep part and it's not like that little 4 by 4. Yeah, so this is 20 inches long, I believe. 20 inches, and it is transparent lace. Okay, I'm not going back to the other type of lace. Like, transparent is the way to go. So I did do a tutorial on how I installed this wig, so if y'all want to see, keep watching. But I just want to tell y'all a little bit more about the hair. So this hair I've had for a while, but I just installed it like last month, and now I reinstalled it for this video. So this is going to be a different video for me. I've never did a reinstallation, but I'm sure y'all want to know how you reinstall your old wig. So it was kind of easy. It's basically the same way, but the lace is already cut off, so it's a little easier in my opinion. But anyway, so I have worn this hair already, so I wanted to give an honest review. And I love this hair. Like, the texture is perfect. I wore it in Mexico, and it was just like the perfect get up, wet it, and go hair. The only products I use on this hair is this Camille Rose curl maker and water. That's all I needed. And yes, and so the person that installed my wig the first time, I will have all their information. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, definitely check out Lisa. I'll have all her information down below. But yes, so if y'all want to see how I install this, then just keep on watching, and I promise I'll be back shortly. I'll see y'all in another video. I have so many wigs that companies have sent me that I haven't been reviewing because I just haven't had the time. But I'm back. Okay, so keep watching. Bye.